Today we're gonna make the twister project. Now, for the coding, it's already inside. Yeah, I already explained it. Now, the first thing that you need it's only simple, only this motor, yeah, and then this one, yeah, and also you need this board. Yeah. First of all, you can see it in this Adobe. There is a motor 1, there is a motor 2. Now, the motor that we use is motor 1. So that means we're gonna have to plug this cable. Yeah, look, there are two slots. Yeah. Red cable in the left one and black cable on the right one. First of all, I will try. You can use this screwdriver to loose this screw. Yeah, I just have to put it inside. We're gonna use motor 1. Okay, for example, like this, push it, and then just have to press it. Done. Yeah, see, it's done. Yeah, it's already hold. Now the second one. We're gonna put it in here. Okay, for the edge. Okay, for example, like this, just use a screwdriver. Done. Yeah, see, it's already connected. Now, what you're supposed to do next, just plug this one through here. Done. And then press it. Now, let us check. We're gonna try to connect it to this USB. Okay, it's already on. Okay, let me check first. Okay, let us check. Okay, yeah, that's how it looks like. Okay, that's how you make the twister project. That's all. Thank you.